Look at that foam just lifting away the grime. So satisfying.
Listen to the bristles lifting the dirt. This gentle cleaner ensures the metallic surface of your MV Agusta rotor is perfectly preserved.
Okay, now we gently loosen the final bolt here and carefully set the mirror down on the padded surface.
This tail fin is secured with a very old adhesive. I'm using these fine tweezers to gently work it loose.
Using the precision screwdriver now, slowly turning each fastener. And now we lift the cover, revealing the heavily coated intake system.
And now we carefully lift the radiator, placing it gently on the protective mat. smooth, even strokes. The chemical reaction is starting. Look at that deep purple color emerging.
We use a lint-free microfiber cloth and apply the wax and grease remover in slow, overlapping motions. Using these fine abrasive pads and slow circular movements, we can remove the oxidation and restore the brushed metal finish.
Applying the cleaner now, making sure to get deep into the cooling fins. See how the grease just melts away.
A slow rotation by hand confirms perfect synchronization before we proceed with the tensioner install.
Reinstalling the covers now, making sure the gaskets are seated. Now for the torque wrench sequence.
Smooth strokes now, making sure the surface is absolutely level before we move on.
Look at how the aluminum flakes shimmer. That's the perfect wet coat for the silver accent. Making sure the copper gaskets are seated correctly before we tighten the flange nuts.
Ignition engaged.
Front axle confirmed. Moving to the engine mounts now.
Just gliding the applicator around the tyre. We want a perfect even coat, making sure to avoid the tread.
Aligning the badge precisely before we apply gentle pressure. Then we smooth the edges.
So smooth. The finish on this F4 is truly something special. Almost done.
Feast your eyes on the flawless paint reflections. Every detail, from the MV Agusta emblem to the iconic stainless steel exhaust, is factory new. Behold the legend reborn. The 1999 MV Agusta F4 750.